Bersua kembali, sektor makanan dan minuman sering diberikan nafas baru sebagai usaha untuk mempromosi perniagaan. Fenomena terkini adalah perniagaan trak makanan atau food truck. Indonesia adalah antara negara ASEAN yang menyaksikan perkembangan pantas food truck susulan permintaan dan populasinya yang tinggi. Dan wartawan Sarawani Nurul Hana Ismail berbual bersama Presiden Asosiasi Food Truck Indonesia Junas Miradiarsyah sempena bengkel food truck di Kuala Lumpur. Ini adalah laporan pertama beliau dalam siri laporan berkenaan food truck.
Bagaimana fenomena food truck di Indonesia sendiri?
Di Indonesia trennya mulai start di akhir 2013. Belum banyak pada waktu itu dan itu banyak kan hanya di Jakarta. Akhir 2013 there's only 5 of it, and then end of 2014 the numbers growing into 15, just 15. Angka yang cukup sedikit dalam satu tahun kan. But suddenly starting January 2015 until July, August, the numbers growing rapidly, and now we have more than 80 at that time. So can you imagine how many percent of the increase? Right now on November the numbers already 110. Belum termasuk misalnya kota Bandung, they have more than 50, Bali, I guess more than 20, Surabaya more than 15, and now this year some cities just started the phenomena like Padang, Samarinda, Balikpapan, Garut, Surabaya, and other cities.
Anda sendiri adalah presidennya kepada Asosiasi Food Truck di Indonesia. Apakah peranan asosiasi ini dalam membantu para pengusaha-pengusaha baru untuk menceburi bidang ini?
There's two major goals from our association called AFTI, Asosiasi Food Truck Indonesia. First one is educating the upcoming business owner, businessman who wants to run food truck. We educate them, we tell them how to do it. What's the factors they have to think about it. That's the first. And the second one, we help the existing businessmen how to make their business sustain. Di Indonesia meskipun udah banyak, mungkin sama dengan beberapa negara lain, pemerintahan belum memberikan full support seperti ketentuannya, regulasi, kemudian izin tempat usaha di public area. Nah, asosiasi kita mendatangi pemerintah untuk introducing our business, our trend, and we're trying to asking their help to support this business, like public space, and that's we do, and we halfway to go there. In Indonesia, we met some people in the government, and they really support. But belum dalam bentuk dokumen resmi, tapi mereka udah bisa kasih all members in asosiasi you can use this spot. I guess that's major leap for us now as an association.
Jadi bagaimana untuk menggalakkan persaingan sihat dengan adanya perniagaan yang kini seperti tumbuh bak cendawan, terutama sekali di Indonesia kan?
Kita Indonesia is very big country with 255 million of people all over Indonesia, and the capacity Jakarta is very big. The numbers that we have right now still do not match with the size of the area. So the numbers we expect still growing, but the rules that we set is how to make the standards of the cleanliness, the kitchen, and the operation. That's what we do as an association. So we let the numbers keep growing because there's still a blue ocean of this business, but our obligation is making the right standards for every food truck.
Baiklah, terima kasih banyak-banyak Junas di atas perkongsian anda itu. Itu tadi Junas, Presiden Asosiasi Food Truck di Indonesia, berkongsi tentang pengalamannya memulakan perniagaan serta berkongsi tentang fenomena food truck di Indonesia di persidangan 1ES ini, One ASEAN Entrepreneurship Summit.